Guys, I saw something making tracks in, is it peeing right there? It's a fox. I don't know if you can see it. There's a fox back there. Shit. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. There's a fox in my yard. I saw something make tracks and I thought it was a fox. Oh, I can't see it through the, It's gonna be a real quick Vlogmas, but I am, doing the favors. Today it's Thursday, Vlogmas Day 5. And, yeah, I actually, this is a printable part of this, but then I had to get on my Cricut and customize it. So I figured it out. I'm listening to a live stream. It's been on for like almost 3 hours on YouTube. And just customizing. I did some blue. I did some black with like a thicker point of marker, which is okay, but I like just this regular. And I got the font off of Cricut Access. I pay like $10 a month to have access to like different fonts and different images and all that stuff. So, yep. And wait till we put these together. I might have Stevie help me, so we'll see. But I'm printing 20. It's been like 2 hours. So we will show you. Oh, this came out super cute. I'm showcasing my Easy Press when I do HDTV projects. I think this is a 9x9. I got it on Amazon, but I love this. This was a game changer on my HTV or heat press projects. Instead of using like an old rusty iron, I bought this and I love it. And then I got my Cricut, but these are the bag toppers. So it says make a superhero kit on one side, and then I customize it with my Cricut using the marker, so I didn't have to cut anything, but I customized it. Thank you for coming to my party. Use the supplies that are inside to make your own superhero. Love, Steven. And this was a PDF printable that I kind of like just figured out the dimensions and put the text and just copied these printed pieces of paper onto a map to make. So I'm so excited about these. I'm going to staple these to Ziploc bags that are filled with the capes and masks that I cut the other day, and some just accessories to decorate like a superhero. And it's like made, I have Play-Doh too, so there'll be Play-Doh in there. So I'm going to show you the finished product soon, but I'm so excited about this. The favor bags. So we got some candy, some plastic bags, Play-Doh, capes and masks. We got some pipe cleaner cut up really small, some stickers, some stars and bam, some puffs, some beads, some models, googly eyes, and then what I made. And we will staple that together and show you this is extra supplies. I need a stapler too. So we'll show you the finished product. The finished product for the last minute DIY, make a superhero kit for Steven's birthday on Sunday. So there's capes, a little bit of candy, some beads, Play-Doh, stickers, pipe cleaners, some googly eyes. There's 19 of them. Stevie's holding on to one, so that makes 20. I'm gonna get a couple more Play-Dohs. Play-Dohs are 55 cents each at Target, so I'm gonna get a couple more Play-Dohs and just make a couple extra bags in case we have a couple extra kids. And these are all the supplies. I just put it like in the roasting pan, and that's it. Thank you for joining me for Vlogmas Day 5.